Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go and just open the notification panel here, and here you can see all the available icons. Just to add, to remove, or to change the position of these icons, you should click here on this plus, and just to add here some icons you should hold for a while, for example this icon, and drag this icon here to this down section. Also you can add here the one more just icon, for example the secure folder. Just hold for a while and drag it here. By the same way we can add here just more icons, just for example the always on display we can add here on this first screen. Then just click here to done and you'll see here all of the changes. To remove some icons from here by the same way, you can open also by this way to click to edit buttons, and just to remove, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section. Then just click to done and you'll see the changes here. And to change the position of the icons, just hold for a while the icon and drag it to here, for example to this position. So by this way you can change the positions of the icons, to remove or to add some icons to our top bar here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.